Yes, as for search functionality, that's actually this field that completely belongs to Adria right now, Adria Mercader. So he's also doing great things. During last year, he did a lot of things for search from different perspectives. So he actually developed plugin extension for CKAN that allows you to search in similar way everything in CKAN, not only data sets, but also resources, organizations, user. Basically, he transformed his extension. Transforms everything in CKAN into searchable entities. Even though it may be not a frequent case, but I believe there are portals where they have a lot of organization, and each organization have some sort of metadata that must be discoverable. For example, you know that some organization has website at example.com, and you want to find this organization. With Adria's plugin, now it's possible. Another really cool stuff he did for search, I believe also as extension, is building word embeddings into search. It's a term from machine learning. And to put it simply, basically what his extension does, it transforms all metadata from data sets into numbers, even though it sounds crazy, but basically depending on the meaning of the word, this word produces certain number, and only those numbers are stored inside search index. Then whenever you search something, your search also transforms into numbers, and the search index compares those numbers. If they're similar, you will get results. In this way, we are focusing not on spelling on the word, on not actual combination of letters that give us the word, but instead we focus on meaning. In this sense, ocean and sea are completely different words in terms of spelling, but context for them are usually the same, which means they will produce approximately similar numbers. And user who search for ocean will also see datasets related to sea. In this way, search becomes more natural, and people doesn't have to play with 20 different similar search queries using just a different word set. They can actually search the idea that they want to discover, use, and so on. That's regarding extensions. And finally, it's the greatest part. Adria is working right now on it. He is building translator interface for future integration of multiple search engines into CKAN. At the moment, we are using Solr, and it has its own syntax. Problems that we faced right now, if we want to integrate other search engine, Elasticsearch or maybe PostgreSQL full text search or Sphinx, etc., we have to familiarize users with completely different search language. It will be complex for them. It will be complex for extension developers because they have to keep in mind that CKAN may use different search engines. So how Adria approaches this problem? He decided to develop a standard interface that CKAN promises to fulfill. So basically, CKAN makes a contract that when you want to search a specific field, you have to provide a search term in this format. When you want to search dates that are greater than specific date, you have to provide it in this format. And then it's a job of CKAN to translate those queries into engine-specific query language. In this way, extension developers and user will not think about how CKAN how portal works under the hood. They just will use standard queries, and then CKAN will supply them with the result, no matter what actually is used on the backend. This level of abstraction opens opportunity for building potentially any search engines that exist right now and may appear in future into CKAN. Yeah, that's it about search.
Okay, so embeddings. I know that this approach is used with natural language processing for AI, quite kind of technology that gains popularity right now, and for a reason.